Flowmaster, the industry leader in exhaust technology, introduces the new Force 2 system for the newly redesigned 2014 Silverado and Sierra 1500 pickups with a 5.3-liter V8. This system fits crew cab models with either the short 5.5-foot bed or the standard 6.5-foot bed. This Catback dual tailpipe system features 2.5-inch mandrel bent tubing, a Super 50 series muffler, and is finished off with beautifully polished stainless steel tips. The system includes a choice of exit configurations to fit your individual preference.